So this is going to be just a quick video. I put a bid on something pretty late at night when I was doing videos a week or so ago. This is a piece of my history. When I was a kid back in the 80s, my brother got the Grasshopper, and I was pretty jealous. He's a couple years older than me. Eventually, I saved up enough money to buy a used Rockbuster, which is the Roadrunner. So on a whim, the other day I put a bid on one. Now, nobody else bid on it, and I ended up winning. I didn't really expect to win because it was pretty cheap. It was like $60 or something, which maybe I overpaid. I really don't care. My intention with this thing is to make it a runner. I don't want a shelf queen. It's missing a few parts, but it's pretty. The body's in great shape. It's got the Kyosho electronics. Now, the funny thing about this car, I don't know if you guys know the history. This is a total clone of a Grasshopper, which is kind of the way I feel about a lot of the WL cars, especially the 1.4 series. It's just clones of an LC Racing, and the 110 is a clone of an X-Ray or an LC Racing. So I think I've been getting the knockoffs my whole life, you know. I've been a cheap bastard my whole damn life, getting the cheap stuff. So anyways, it does look like he's got some aftermarket parts on this thing, because it's got the body mounts for, you know, the plastic one. And looks like this might have been a Grasshopper frame that they reworked, but it's got the swing arms. I mean, it was better. It was a better system. So it's got all the parts it needs. I've got some 390 brushed all-in-one combo setups that I'll probably put in this, and I got a servo. I might even take the 110 guts. I need a battery tray for it, so I'm gonna be looking for that soon. But all in all, I mean, everything's free. I'll take it apart and make sure. I mean, it's got a little flat on the one tire. Needs some work, but my goal is to make this run and get it on the track and just have a little piece of nostalgia. I'll probably run it a couple times, just put it on the shelf. But yeah, it's a little bit of my history. Date myself here. And if the motor's good, that's a win-win, you know. No matter how you look at it. I'm not sure if I want to actually like fancy up, because when I was a kid, I used to paint these bright orange. These chassis, I used to sand them down and paint them bright orange and try and get it as bright as possible. And then I went to Alexan, and I took it to a track once, got my butt beat, and I was a little embarrassed. And that was the last time I ever raced as a kid, you know. Again, that's 30 years ago now. Anyways, enough of my baloney and my history. Just thought that was kind of neat. Wanted to give you a quick update and let you know that I'll be doing a build on this, or an upgrade, or restoration, or whatever the heck you want to call it. Sorry about all the traffic. I live on a main road. I have a beautiful backyard, but my front yard sucks. Anyways, I don't know what I'm going to do with these. So if anybody has a use for this stuff, you let me know in the comments. I don't have a use for the original electronic, and they're not even original, I don't think. I think these are, and there's no controller to it. Looks like channel 90 is the channel on it. I don't even know if they work, but it's got the original bumper, and it's got a lot of the parts for it. You know, sway bar. It's really not, it doesn't look like it was beat up. There's not a whole lot of scratches. I mean, normally mine when I was a kid was way worse. I broke 3 chassis as a kid, had the metal side rail, so I'll probably try and find the aluminum of that and try and get it where it was when I was a kid. It's got bearings in the shot and the wheels, so all in all, I'm pretty happy. Anyways, hope you dig my new little adventure, and like and subscribe and all that. See you when I see you.